Presently, that's affecting and on top of mind of a lot of people, the regulators, the companies, even the end customers. Couple of challenges are coming up here and which are being addressed and they need to be looked even further. I think some of them, we have all seen the controversy recently, um, where you draw the line on the personal data, for example, right? How much consumers want to expose, how much corporations can actually use. So that's one big challenge I see, because as part of cybersecurity, you need to protect, but at the same time you need to use the data also, and those lines have to be drawn somewhere, on how do you use the data of the customers, company data, suppliers data, different kinds of data. How do you use them and where do you draw the line? I think that part is still being worked on, if you ask me, in the industry, and that needs to get better in the coming time. Otherwise, you will always see these challenges of WhatsApp versus Telegram, who's using what data and not, and these things come up in different ways, form and shape. Other, as you build the regulations, to protect the privacy of the users, and the data security, and also the data of the company, the regulations have to be built in such a way that you are not only protecting all the assets around the data and the users, but at the same time, you're not stifling the innovation. And at times for innovation, you need to use the data. Uh, so there has to be a very good balance between the two, that we don't go overboard, we don't become paranoia, where we end up protecting everything. And that's why you see all these techniques of anonymizing the data, still being able to use it, using data in the aggregate manner. But despite that, you have to go back and look at data in an individual manner also to derive some insights. So I think that balance game will continue on for some time, so that we can marry both the goals of protection as well as continue on the innovation path, for which we need a lot of data and data science around it. Other challenge I see is around actually the education. There has to be a constant education and training of the different players in the ecosystem. Whether they are the regulators, they are the companies, they are my end customers, they are my suppliers. We cannot undermine that, because a lot of best practices. You can build all the coolest software, the techniques, and we in the security world we always see the new techniques and new solutions coming every few years. Some are innovative, some are band-aids, no doubt, but you can never undermine the key of constant education and training of the individuals, based on these different regulations that people are thinking, and as well as different ways to protect data. I think that's an ongoing battle. I think a lot more needs to happen over there, to be honest. Uh, so those are couple of 3, 4 main challenges that I see. I think some of these are still challenges, other are being worked in, while others are being worked partially. And I think those are the core we need to attack as an industry.